All right, I got another video for you guys. It's about the airbags. There's another airbag recall out. It came out March 15th of this year. They're recalling 1.1 million Honda Accords, Hondas and Acuras, to replace the faulty Takeda airbag. These airbags right here, also in the 4th gen, which I'll be showing you guys real soon. They're replacing the airbags fitted as part of the previous recall. So Honda says that the airbags need replacing. They will rupture and spray shrapnel into your face, meaning that it'll shoot metal shrapnel into your face. It'll cause fatal injuries to the people in the car. So the Takeda airbags have been linked to more than 20 deaths and 300 injuries worldwide over the past 10 years. So, you know, there's a lot of brands that use this airbag itself. Okay, so it's 15 different vehicle models built between 2001 and 2016 are being recalled by Honda. Here's a list. Take your car to the dealer for recalls, for repairs. Recall s.acura.com and recalls.honda.com, or by calling 1-888-234-2138. Also, everybody will receive notices. Everybody that has the cars that are for recall, the Hondas and the Acuras, they'll all receive notices starting in early April. Replacement parts are available. If they're not available, then you'll get a free rental car. Acura will give you a free rental car. Honda will give you a free rental car for the day or the whole time that the vehicle is being repaired. They learned that the issue involved 2004 Honda Odyssey. The driver's side airbag deployed, shooting shrapnel into the driver's arm. So this is why they have this out, because a lot of people are having this issue. Honda warns that if the driver's side airbag deploys in a crash, will rupture, possibly shooting shrapnel fragments at the drivers and passengers in the car. So if you have passengers in the car, it'll shoot shrapnel at the passengers in the car. The National Traffic Safety Administration said that the Takeda airbag recall is the longest and most complex recall in the history. The total's around 70 million of these airbags that are being recalled by different vendors that have used this airbag. It's being recalled by 19 automakers by the end of this year, and 17 million people still will be in need of replacement. And here are the Acura and Honda models for the recall announced for the March 12th. So it's 2003 Acura 3.2 CL is being recalled for the airbag. 2013 to 2016 Acura ILX. 2003 to 2006 Acura MDX. 2002 to 2003 Acura 3.2 TLs will be recalled. The airbag recall, so bring it into the dealer. 2004 to 2006 Acura TLs, of course. I got a 2005, so I guess I'll be having to go to the dealer to get my airbag replaced, also free of charge. The 2009 to 2014 TL, like what my girl has, I'll be taking it in hers in also to get the airbag recall done. This is the airbag on hers to get the airbag recall. Okay, so it's 2009 to 2014 TLs. They're recalling also 2007 to 2016 Acura RDX, 2010 to 2013 ZDX, Acura ZDX, 2001 to 2007 and 2009 Honda Accords they're recalling. Also 2001 to 2005 Honda Civic, 2002 to 2007 and 2010 to 2011 Honda CRV. 2003 to 2011 Honda Element, 2007 and up the Fit, 2002 to 2004 Honda Odyssey, also the 2003 to 2008 Honda Pilot, and also the 2006 to 2014 Honda Ridgeline. I'll put all these all the information down in the description of the video, all the links that you guys need to get to in order to check this out. You want to know what's so crazy is because it's like we have the 3rd gen, we have the 4th gen, I have the BMW, and they're all for recalls. I don't know what the hell is going on with these companies, but it's just like I have recalls on all of them. So this one has the airbag, so this one will go shoot shrapnel in my face. The other one will shoot shrapnel in my face, 3rd gen also, and then the BMW will catch on fire. I don't get it. I don't get it. What's going on? I just don't get it. But hopefully, you know, I can get everything sorted out with all these cars and call it a day. But damn, man, what choices did I pick? All right, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I just thought I'd make this video for you guys, for the people that didn't know. Okay? All right, peace, y'all.